Hey, this is Carl with NewSeptic.net. I'm going to show you how you can annotate your map with a slope measurement by using the slope tool. So I'm looking at a map here and I can see that maybe I want to put a system, a soil absorption system in this area here. And I can see the contour lines are 2 foot apart and that some of these lines here are pretty close together. And I want to make sure that that is not too extreme of a slope to put a system. So just depending on the area where you're installing this, the local regulations might require a different have a different requirements for your slope, but generally you want to keep the system less than a 12 or a 15% slope. So some areas it's different, obviously. So you have to check your local regs on that, but to measure the slope on NewSeptic's mapping application, you can click on this tool here, the icon with the S and the cursor. Click that once, and you can come over the map. And I want to check this slope right here. So what NewSeptic does is it takes a measurement in distance, and it will, at the first point and the last point that you click, it will get the elevation at those 2 points and give you your slope. So if you want to click once and drag it down to where you want to measure the slope at, you double click and NewSeptic will give you your slope at that point. So it annotates it on the map and you can adjust that on your print view labels. So later on you can adjust that. So basically, it's a good way to annotate your map and show what the slope is in the actual area that you're installing the system. So that's how you use the slope tool. If you have any questions, give us a call, and thanks for using NewSeptic.